Hello, friends. This is the Cryptonian taking a look at, no, not Bitcoin. We're taking a look at VeChain. Now, why VeChain? Well, you may be surprised, but VeChain has been uh, busy over the summer, and they made a big announcement back in June. And when we take a look at the headlines for VeChain, we see that here on June 9th, it was released by Cointelegraph that supply chain thwacking, VeChain's $100 million sponsorship deal with the UFC. You guessed it, the UFC. This is huge. Blockchain logistics firm, the VeChain Foundation, has signed a multi-year marketing partnership with the Ultimate Fighting Championship UFC worth nearly 100 million, becoming the UFC's first ever layer 1 blockchain partner. Now, this is really big because UFC is they have a huge fan base, they have a huge business. 100 million doesn't seem that big in the scheme of things and the large picture, but it is because it's going to bring other business. Not to mention, look how healthy VeChain is. Um, VeChain Foundation reports $1.2 billion crypto treasury, but only spent just 4 million in Q1. All right, this is back in May. All right, that was some time ago, but they still have a large portion of that 1 billion, right? So, they are a healthy, well-run project. Okay. So that being said, I just wanted to share this with you. Put it on your radar if you're not aware of VeChain. Currently, VeChain is coming in at 2.6 cents. Now, when we do take a look at the history, here's the daily. We are elevated and we're a little bit above trend. So, it looks like we may be looking for a little bit of a pullback, even if it's brief. Um, let's see here. Yeah, on the 1 hour, it looks like we're running into some resistance and fighting to stay above that 2.7 cents. Probably not going to happen at the moment, but we do have a wick down here. So it looks like when Bitcoin has been dumping, VeChain pulled back a little bit, but only to about 2.5, 2.6 cents. They're wanting to hold above that line and in this support of 2.59 cents. That being said, will they hold it? Not really sure. Does it matter? Not so much. If you're dollar cost averaging in for the long term, it doesn't really matter. Let's take a look at the weekly, and this is what I want to show you. And VeChain has been around for some time, but you may not be aware at the potential. Now, when we take a look, the last peak for the bull run actually was up here at 28.9 cents. Okay, that's on a wick basis. The body of the candle, 25.6 cents. So, and it's only at 2.6 cents, and they have a major partnership with the UFC, and they're liquid. I mean, they're they're totally liquid. I mean, they have huge war chest of money built up. So, they can weather any downturns, right? They also have partnerships with, last I knew, I'm not sure if they still have it or not. It's been a while, need to research it. BMW and wine brand, a major wine brand. And basically, the reason why VeChain has not been doing amazing in the market is because, well, it was doing amazing in the market. You can see this, right, when it had the last pump. But um, this was back in 2021, right? This was back in April of 2021. Now, imagine as they develop and as they're getting more partnerships, it becomes more valuable. So this, 25.4 cents uh, looks like we will actually get back to that. The logic is, well, it went to 25 cents. before, and it's more valuable now, has more partnerships, has more functionality, more you know, more market presence, it should be worth more than that, or at least worth that. So this is the logic in the market, right? So anyway, I just want to put it on your radar. I'm going to be looking at VeChain and probably will start moving into dollar cost averaging with VeChain, because right now VeChain is it's not coming down like we expected, and that's because it's been so strong um, with its fundamentals, right? Great fundamentals, and I'm just waiting for this to kind of tank with the market, but it's just not wanting to come back down, and it's showing a lot of strength. So will it come down? Yeah, probably. But I need to see more. We have tremendous consolidation here, and then we just made a higher high. All right, this high is higher than this previous high. So we just had a breakout for VeChain, and it should be able to hold the 2.5 cents. If it holds this 2.5 cents, and if Bitcoin doesn't dump, then I'll be considering getting in here. But what's interesting is, Bitcoin just dumped, the market dumped. VeChain said, "Dump what? Dump what?" No, they're not dumping. They're holding up here at two and a half cents. So 2.5, 2.6 cents. So if this holds, not a bad time to get in, because look, the next gap is all the way up to 3.3 cents, friends. 3.3 cents. We need to get by the 2.7 cents, but once we get past 2.7 cents, it's going to be a 24% price appreciation to the 3.3 cents. Okay, so there you have it. Pay attention. Just wanted to put it on your radar. I was kind of waiting for some kind of a pullback, some type of consolidation. I want to see VeChain hold this range before I start dollar cost averaging in. But I may you know put in a little bit now, and then if it pulls back, put in more, and because I want to be in when we have that break to 3.3, right? And so I do believe that if Bitcoin shows some recovers and shows another leg up, VeChain could very well be breaking that 2.7 mark. You can already see that put a lot of pressure on it. They broke it and then they came right back down. So there you have it, friends. Just want to put it on your radar. Let me know what your opinion is about VeChain. Do you hold VeChain? Are you in VeChain? What do you think about the project? It's been around for some time, but they've been doing very well. Anyway, now with the UFC back, last summer, the UFC uh, partnership, and it's been divulged that they have this huge amass war chest, this huge savings account of 1.2 billion. Um, they have plenty of money to weather any storms, plenty of money to develop and create other partnerships and to support their customers. This is great news. VeChain is looking very, very healthy, and there you have it. Thank you very much. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.